Hey, it's your resident Zed. I am Zed Durant. What's up, y'all? I'll let y'all see me. Look at all this sexiness. Y'all gotta see all this sexy. Nigga know what the fuck going on. I be saying that all the time. Every time I start a video, I be like, nigga know what's going on. I really don't like cursing. That's what's going on. I gotta stop cursing. But this is a beautiful scene. I just linked up with my bro, one of my partners. We out here and shit. This is like a little local park. Let me show them something. Shit small, so it's like light work. But from what I'm showing right now, nobody could tell. Like, it looked like I'm in the forest or something. Like, it looked like it's so much out here right now. This little 360 view. But when I get around there, you're gonna see, like, when I circle back around, it really ain't all that big. It ain't much. It's just this big lake back here. I mean, I said big. But anyway, let me so I can keep moving. Let me show y'all why I started this video. Like, I don't know about you guys, but when I was young, I learned that it's the flow of the water that helps create the electricity. Like in Egypt, underneath the pyramids, most people don't realize that they had like a river. Part of the river was flowing under there for this specific reason right here, to have that water create that currency. But I was walking, talking with my bro. Let me see. Yeah, so I was walking and talking with my bro, man. I'm like, I look down, I literally just look down. I'm like, damn, look at that shit, man. That shit beautiful. It's crazy because, like, all back there, let me see if I can get it. All back there look all like dirty and muddy. You come over here, it's an illusion. Then bam, you see where it's like on the surface. You see how clear that water really is. But I ain't focused on like the water being clear and all that. I just like that flow, man. When I learned that, like the flow of water can spark electricity, like, what? Yo, God is perfect. God is perfection. That's beautiful perfection right there. Yo, I just want to put my hand in that motherfucker. I would do it, but I ain't gonna do the most right now. I would hop down there. Matter of fact, you go over that bitch.
Oh, I probably got done.
I'm recording it. Let me see, it's still recording, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you better leaping. Yeah, it's slippery right here. But you know what? I want to go right there. I can hear somebody in there. You can see that flow? Wow, shit cold too. Hey, this is the thumbnail. Yeah. Egypt. Yo. I like that, man. That's nice, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's amazing right there. How y'all doing? The flow of water.
Did you lose triple U in there, mother?
You can then you can and then you got to be careful because you can fall here. Safety hazard. See, safety hazard. There's a mile in the mall, man. Oh shit.
bathed in the creek. I bathed in the Nile.
Modern pre-dynastic Egyptians getting excited. I might build a pyramid right here on top of the water right here. You know what I'm saying? You know what's going on, man. Yeah, man. Fuck. Yeah, I'm on there. That shit over, man. That shit good. I'm gonna do like fucking like 10 more. Hey man, for everybody watching this on camera, I'm already like 50 in. Yeah, get a couple more, man. 10 more. Hold on, I gotta get like here. Yeah. 10 more, right? Slow and steady. Relax on, hold it. Hey, hold it. Yeah. Oh man. I did my best. Oh yeah. You can see on camera my arms already starting to swell up. See, after I knock out about 70 push-ups, my arms start getting fat. Chest, I can feel it already. I don't even look the same. Feel good, boy. Consistency. That's all it is. Bro, I'm finna pull up on top of Millie the other day. If she didn't wake up on that bullshit, fucking up with nigga energy and shit, she was supposed to come with me. I'm about to get back on top of Millie. Start jogging in the morning and shit, man. That, you want to push up and ass. Ooh. Abs and push ups at the same time. You said abs? No, it's abs and push ups at the same time, so you're going boom. Huh? Oh, okay. And that's one, this two. I'm gonna try to do 10. So go down, up, yeah, right there, boom. That's one. No, do your next leg. Did I do the other one? Oh, okay. Ready? You gotta do it right? Yeah, like this. This is how I start off, like this. Boom, 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 boom. Ain't no joke. I'm getting tired of it. On camera. Breaking down. That's what's going in. Nah, that's it. Yeah. Yeah, light work. See what it is, man. Yeah, man. I had to come work it off, man. Nigga wake up arguing, I'm in my day exercising. Fuck that shit. Get that testosterone built up. Yeah. Testosterone built up. I can't do that arguing shit, bro. I got the exercise. Woo! Yeah, nigga. You seen that video with DDG them boys balling yesterday?
Nah, I didn't see. I seen the one when he made the. That shit was the little trap was deep.
Oh, okay. Man, one day I communicated with one of them ducks. I believe you communicate with telepathy to animals. You see the direction they're going. One day I was at a park and I seen some ducks. It was like 8 of them moving just like that. And I kid you not, I went in my inner being and I focused on them. This is all I thought about, was concentrating on it. So we're like 3, 4 of them just stopped and just stared at me. Yeah, yeah, no cap, no kizzy, no lie. And then I was talking, I was like, I wasn't talking with my words, but I was using my thoughts. And I was saying like, go the other way. And they actually went the other way. Like, they was coming closer to me. I was getting them to come closer to me so I could see them. But I ain't finna do that shit today though, nigga. They gone, man, they gone. Yeah, man, I believe in telepathic communication with animals, humans. I believe in all that. It's your boy Zed, man. It's your resident. There's a reason why I'm the resident alien. No Cappy. No Kizzy. I'm trying to tell them, bro. I communicate. It's recording. Yeah, but you gotta go higher. Talk to the people, man. Yo. First off, it was too easy at first. Them last two was like, ooh. I felt the burn. I felt my muscles are tightening up like a spasm. Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna do one for the camera since y'all ain't get me when the camera missed me when I did these. I'm tired as hell, but I can do like 2 or 3 for the camera. 3 more. 3 more. Which way I did it? Like this? Yeah. Okay. One more. Ooh, he's telling he gotta do that again, y'all. He gotta do that shit again. That was like half of one. God damn, nah. I'm dead, bro. That shit was a struggle, bro. There you go. Tell him this ain't easy, y'all. This is not easy. Get your motherfucker camera on my face.